Our socials at KBC Channel 1. Our sign language expert tonight is Anne Wangeshi.
What are the stories you care about? Speak to us on those social platforms. Let's open this coverage with our lead story now. Chief Justice Martha Koome is tonight firmly declaring that she will not resign.
The statement comes hot on the heels of a petition filed by former Law Society of Kenya President Nelson Havi, seeking her removal from office along with 6 Supreme Court judges.
In a petition filed Monday, Havi wants President William Ruto to form a tribunal to probe the conduct of Martha Koome-led bench, citing gross misconduct, misbehaviour, and also other serious allegations.
Here is our reporter Abdiaziz Hashim with more on the new legal battlefront facing the Supreme Court judges.
Chief Justice Martha Koome and the 6 Supreme Court judges find themselves on the receiving end.
This issue of judges taking bribe on a daily basis, on every case they handle, I mean, this is something that has snowballed in the last 10 years. Yes. And that is why people are losing their property.
And that's why we've been emphatic. We'll go for all these judges, and will go for the commissioners of the Judicial Service Commission who do not want to do their work.
This is after former LSK President Nelson Havi moved to file a petition seeking her removal from office alongside Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu, Justices Mohamed Ibrahim, Smoky Nwanjala, Njoki Ndugu, Isaac Lenaola, and William Ouko, citing integrity queries. Havi, in a 253-page petition, accuses the Koome-led bench of gross misconduct and misbehaviour. Further, in the affidavit, Havi has faulted the Chief Justice for allegedly lacking in leadership and failing to provide direction in the judiciary. Havi also referred to a 2022 contempt of court ruling in which he, alongside his assisting counsel Esther Angawa and fellow senior counsel Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, were convicted. On March 31st, 2022, the 7 judges of the Supreme Court of Kenya, acting through the CJ Koome, resolved that Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi and Nelson Havi will not appear before them. However, in a quick rejoinder, Chief Justice Martha Koome has stated that she is not ready to throw in the towel.
Judicial Service Commission is no longer an option because Martha has made it, a club that protects judges. That is why we are looking for now evidence. That is now we will go frontal attack on the judiciary because, I mean, we can't get justice through the Judicial Service Commission.
We must have the Chief Justice resign. Why do we say so? Because the Chief Justice is the head of the Judicial Service Commission. She chairs the Judicial Service Commission's function. She has evidence of judges who are corrupt, but she's not doing anything.
You asked me whether I would resign. I would also ask you, why would I resign? I have a tenure. I was appointed to serve for a tenure, and you have not given me reasons why you would want me to resign.
Further, she revealed she was yet to see the contest of the petition filed before the Judicial Service Commission, in which she chairs.
I'm actually not aware of the petition that has been brought to the JSC for my removal and the removal of the entire commission. I don't know when it was brought. We had a meeting of the commission on the 7th of January, and it was not tabled before us. Perhaps it's still on the way.
This comes as the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC shared its findings with Koome in regards to corruption within the judiciary.
To come and assist them to deal with issues of corruption that might be existing in the judiciary. And we had already done what we call corruption assessment and gave them a report, which this morning the Chief Justice shared with us the progress that they have made, some of the things that they are doing.
I understand there are many brokers out there who broker for magistrates and for judges. Even if they are not brokers and the judges and magistrates are brokering for themselves, we want to bring this to an end.
Koome had earlier called on the anti-graft and newly appointed CEO Abdi Mohamud to tackle the problem of graft within the judiciary. Havi has urged the JSC to recommend to President William Ruto to form a tribunal to investigate the conduct of the 7 Supreme Court judges to have them forced out of office.